Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to save a bunch of money. If you have a smoker like I do, thank God I do, I'm going to show you how to make your own smoked pork sausages, which are a sort of cheats chorizo. Now, a packet of these garlic pork sausages that I get, they're only about $7, and it's going to save you a ton of money doing it this way. Alright, so I've got a little bit of just vegetable oil in a small saucepan there, and I've added in a good dose of paprika, probably about 3 tablespoons worth, right, straight into there. Now I'm just going to heat that through until we get a little bit of frothage on top, and all we're trying to do is infuse that paprika, like smoked paprika, believe it or not, into that oil. Give it a stir from time to time, make sure we get everything incorporated really nicely. Now a chorizo or even a Kransky can cost you upwards of $26 per kilo. These sausages that I get, $7 for 6, half a kilo. It's really cheap. So I've got a Ziploc bag, I've got my garlic pork sausages in there. I'm going to add in the cooled down paprika oil, right? Make sure it is cooled down, and all I'm going to do is get these sausages marinating and zip locked into that oil, right? So I'm just going to zip that up, get as much air out as I possibly can, just squeeze that down just like that, and we want to try and get each sausage sort of evenly coated with the oil. Right, so we're going to need to just massage them, get them moving into position just like that. Okay, nice and simple. And what I'll do is I'll come out every couple of hours into the refrigerator and I will turn those around so we get the oil sort of soaking into that sausage and all that paprika flavor into the sausage, you know, quite evenly. Right, nice and easy to do. Okay, so we're doing that now. As I said, if you don't have a smoker, you could actually do this in a kettle barbecue, and I actually have done it on my big gas barbecue using a little smoker box. It's a different technique for a different day, but because I'm going to be running the smoker tomorrow, well, we're going to do that. I'm going for a very slow smoke, so just a few you know, charcoal briquettes at the very end of your smoker, right, just like that, just nice and simple. And I'm going to just keep this real nice low heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of applewood on top and go for a real nice heavy smoke. We don't want much heat at all. I'm smoking these at around about 40 degrees Celsius. You've probably seen this footage in another video where I've done those beautiful ribs. Alright, I'm going to smoke those for at least 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours at that really nice low heat. Okay, so just going to close that lid down. As you can see, not even at 50 degrees, not enough to cook an egg. Heaps of smoke going. I've got that chimney closed up a fair bit because I want to get maximum flavor. And what you're going to end up with after that little period of time is an amazing, really heavily smoked sausage. Now, you can take those off. I'm going to set those aside overnight, and I'm going to do another recipe with those beautiful homemade smoked pork sausages, or cheats chorizo if you want to call it that. Anyway, like to see you try and make this one at home if you've got a smoker. If you don't, try your gas barbecue or your kettle barbecue with a bit of smoking chunks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, I'm getting ready to cook my next recipe. Anyway, I will catch you next time. Bye.